Welcome to the channel Hotchpotch Study. In this video, we will talk about packing fraction of simple cubic. Okay, packing fraction. Packing fraction of simple cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell. Okay, today's topic is this. First of all, we must know what is this packing fraction basically. Okay, packing fraction. Sorry, packing fraction. It is basically space, space occupied space occupied by the atoms in an unit cell. Yes, okay, this is what we called packing fraction. Okay, here we will talk about simple cubic. Okay, simple cubic. So let me draw its picture so that it will be clear to you how it looks. Okay, simple cubic is just like cubic structure, and it is quite okay. Let me erase it, it is not good. Okay, yeah, now again let me draw it. Yes, this is yeah, yes, this is simple cubic unit cell, and in this cubic unit cell we will find 8 atoms on uh, each corners will have 1 atoms. Okay, means total 8 atoms. In this way all the atoms are placed. Okay, atoms are just a spherical in shape, so we have to just draw it like a sphere. Okay, now it's looking cool. So let me it is just a simple cubic unit cell, means you can say it also a primitive unit cell, its second name, and it is just basic unit cell, and many more are there, like face centered unit cell, body centered unit cell, means all they are just advanced type, and this is basic one. And here we will find the packing fraction of this simple cubic unit cell. And for this we must have to know uh, what, first of all, Z effective. Z effective is nothing but number of atoms per unit cell, and here we have contribution of each atoms in this unit cell is 1 by 8, and total corner is what, 1 by 1 by 8 into 8, means total corner is 8, and this is contribution of each atom. Okay, and now so we will get Z effective equal to 1. So here Z effective equal to 1, and the volume of atom is what, volume of atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube, because it look like like a sphere, so its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of unit cell volume of unit cell is equal to A cube if we take its edge length A. Okay, A cube. And we know the relation 2r equal to A. This is the relation. So our volume will be 8r cube. Now we have all these values, and we will work with it and we will get the packing fraction of simple cubic. Okay, let me take the fresh page. Here percentage packing fraction of simple cubic we will find. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, simple cubic, percentage P of simple cubic. And previously we have seen Z effective equal to 1, volume of atom equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 3. And volume of unit cell equal to 8 r cube. Now we know, percentage packing fraction is what? Percentage PF equal, for simple cubic unit cell, okay, Z into volume of atom by volume of unit cell into 100. Here we are finding percentage, that's why we are multiplying it with 100. So now it's simple, we have to just put up the values, like volume of atom is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube by volume of unit cell 8 r cube, and this is into 100. Now r cube get cancelled, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and here we know Z is equal to what? 1 into pi by 3 n by 2 into 100, and finally we will get here pi by 6 into 100. If we will calculate it, then we will get 52.4%. okay, so this is our answer. I hope this is very clear to you. Let me repeat it. First of all, we knew packing fraction. Okay, packing fraction is what? It is a space occupied by the atoms in an unit cell. Okay, in an unit cell. And here we have to talk about the simple cubic unit cell and its packing fraction. In simple cubic unit cell look like this, and 8 atoms are placed in their corners, means each corner have 1 atom, and we have seen Z effective equal to 1, volume of atom 4 by 3 pi r cube, because it is a spherical in shape, atom is just a spherical in shape, we consider it, and volume of unit cell is 8 r cube because it is cubical in shape, and we knew the relation between A and R, means edge length and radius. So we have seen 2r equal to A. For finding packing fraction of simple cubic, Z effective we knew 1, and here we get the data, and the percentage packing fraction is equal to Z into volume of atom by volume of unit cell into 100. This is the formula for calculating packing fraction of any unit cell, and here we have put up all the values and we finally got this answer. So guys, that's it for today video. So take care of yourself. Thank you for watching till the end.